Good morning, everybody. It's the middle of the working week. Today we have a windy day. You can see now here the movement of the branches of the fruit trees and also the leaves dancing with the wind. Last night it rained a lot, and our small garden is already covered with branches of our fruit trees. At the far behind the garden, I have here the pear tree. It has more fruit this year. And then I have my plum tree. It has also some fruit in it. And then the apple tree. I don't know how many more fruit is going to fall to the ground. And here in the front is the passion fruit vine. It has a lot of fruit, but it's a pity that it is not eatable. Or I haven't eaten, tried eating it. Have a nice day, everybody.